starting at 13:40 sharp. That will be moving right down to the middle here at the airfield. Got a few minutes as they warm up the helicopter, check their instruments, check the engines to make sure everything is ready to go. And then they'll be underway with their performance. Just a loving reminder, no smoking out there on the airport grounds. And also as you're enjoying the incredible static displays. This helicopter of the Royal Canadian Air Force, this state-of-the-art aircraft, incorporates fly-by-wire technology. The person in the crew member in the cabin controls the hoist, while the other is lowered in what is called a double-lift harness. And there you see Crew Chief Sergeant Aaron Crawford being hoisted down, waving to you as her husband flies the helicopter down the show line. Talk about putting a lot of faith in your husband's capability.